are going to prepare the bonda from leftover rice. Ingredients are 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of red rice flour, onion, chopped green chili, curry leaves, gram flour, chili powder, fennel seeds, pepper powder, turmeric powder. Now I am going to grind the rice. Now the rice paste is ready. I am going to add 3 spoons of gram flour, two teaspoons of red rice flour, little amount of turmeric, little amount of pepper, fennel seeds, chili powder, and the onion, curry leaves and green chili. And mix it properly. Now I mixed it very well. I'm going to make like a small bowl. I prepared all the bowls. Now I'm going to fry it. Wait until the oil becomes hot. Oil become hot. Now I am going to add the bonda balls. And fry it well. Fried well. Now I am going to take it off. Now the bonda is ready. Serve with your loved ones and enjoy.